Anyways, these are the two 400 watt JJN solar panels, and I'll get on here. I'll show you the data that we collected. See, this is from last month. See, this is the data from last month. These 400 watt solar panels, they're like a 13.8 amp by 31.5 volts or 31.05 volts, and the Blue Eddy, it can only take 12 amps. So in all reality, the two JJN solar panels, they are only producing 372 watts times 2. I'll do that too. If they do 372 watts times 2 is let me add it up here. 31.05 times 12. That equals 372.6. Then you times that by 2. That equals 745.2. So then, if you add the 960 watt array over here, that gives you a total of 1705.2. Then if you times that by 4.5 hours a day of sunlight, then if you times that by 30, hold on, we messed something up. Okay. So here it is. So if you do the 31.05 times 12 amps that the Blue Eddy AC300 allows into the system, and then if you add that to the 960 watt array up here, that'll give you a total of 1704. Alright, so if you do 1704, realistically 80% output, that'll bring you to 1363.2. Then if you times that by 4.5 hours a day, which is what I get where I live at, that equals 6,134.4. Then if you times that by 30, that gives you 184,032 watt hours per month on a 1700 watt array. So then let's go back into the Blue Eddy app and see how much a 1700 watt array can save you money wise. See, if we go in the month, then we go back to June, see, it's saying we saved $26.64 from these two arrays. And if we do 26.64, if we take the 2664 and my total cost of the machine and the two solar arrays, I think it was right around $2,000. I think it was like $21.50 or something like that. And if you take that, divide it by $26.62, that's 80 months worth of payback period before you can even see a return on investment. If we do that, divide that by 12, that's 6 years, 6.7 years. So just over 6.5 years before you're able to see a return on the investment of the 1700 watt solar array and the Blue Eddy. And I'm thinking that the UPS guy, he just brought me my second B30 or B300K battery, and I'm thinking after I hook that up, I'll be able to pull more solar in, because it'll not be charged as fast. And everybody knows, like after around 2 o'clock, my battery's usually fully charged. And but I'm thinking, like, after it gets to 95% charge, then the solar starts to kick back, so that way it doesn't charge it too fast. But I'm thinking after I put another battery on there, I'll be able to pull in more, and it'll save me more over this next month. But we'll just have to wait and see. Blue Eddy, it can only take 12 amps. So in all reality, the two JJN solar panels, they are only producing 372 watts times 2. I'll do that too. If they do 372 watts times 2 is